This guy couldn't drunkenly get Taco Bell and he's being all pouty about it. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz 60. Remember in Pretty in Pink when Ducky gave us these words of wisdom?
Hey, drinking and driving don't mix. That's why I ride a bike.
Yeah, well, a bike doesn't mix too well either. 33-year-old Gabriel Harris was arrested after cops say he got in a fight with police at a Taco Bell in Florida. As you can see, he really isn't happy about it. According to the police, Harris and his friend Sarah Halliburton pulled up to the drive-thru on their bikes and tried to get an order while the Taco Bell was closing. They were told no, not because it was almost closing time, not because the employees said they were pretty drunk, but because they were riding their bikes through a drive-thru. People are really still trying to do that? When has that ever worked? When cops got there, they say Harris was still on his bike by the menu speaker, refusing to leave. According to the report, there was a scuffle over a Swiss Army knife. Apparently, an officer noticed it on Harris's belt loop and went to reach for it. Adding to his list of bad decisions that night, police say Harris grabbed the officer's wrist and started to fight. Normally, I'd say the real winner here is Sarah since she didn't get arrested, and even though Harris is putting on a sad face in that photo, neither of them were subjected to a drunk 3 a.m. Taco Bell binge, so silver lining, right? Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.